I don't know how people do this one-handed operate touchscreens, but I just did. I almost forgot to start filming. These are a bunch of Platys. It's so quiet out here on this Sunday morning. There's a bunch of Platys that don't want to come out of the bucket. They've never seen the sky before. Only the ceiling. There's quite a few of them in there, big ones and small ones. There's enough cover out here, so even if that bird comes back, they can hide, I think. There used to be Platys out here. A lot of them died last winter. They don't overwinter well. Huh. I didn't think I had corridors out here, but I think I just saw one. Are they gonna come out? Here they go. I'm just gonna let them go. Rip the Band-Aid. They all fled pretty quickly. They did not hang out. You can actually see in here at this time of day. Usually it's too reflecty. They're all down in the water. They're all gone now. I don't see any of them anymore. Oh, yep. They'll have fun out here. I gotta get this ready. This is gonna be the new turtle pond. I'm gonna pile dirt around the edge. I'm gonna put that thing in upside down with holes cut in it so they have a cave, and then the top of it will be their basking area where I'm gonna put some rocks. So I gotta work on this before winter comes, although Florida winters aren't really winters. Got to prepare for that week or so of cold weather. But the Platys have been released out of the bucket.